Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the image print ready. Open the passport photo and set 300 dpi, then crop to the exact required dimensions such as 2x 2 inches. Once done, duplicate the background so you have a safety copy and turn on rulers and guides to align elements precisely. Make quick corrective edits, skin smoothing or background cleanup, so your text contrasts well. Then position a temporary guide where the name or ID should sit, because alignment matters for machine reading and visual balance. You now add the text. Pick the type tool and click on the guide you set. Choose a clear font such as Arial or Helvetica, set an appropriate size and weight so the text is readable at print size, and pick a high contrast color against the background. Once typed, set anti-aliasing to sharp or crisp for clarity. Use layer styles sparingly. Add a 1px stroke or subtle drop shadow to separate text from busy areas. Make sure text remains inside the face-free area. Finish by preparing the final file. Hide the duplicate backup, then either flatten a copy or save as a separate PSD. Export to JPEG at 100% quality for most passport systems, ensuring image size reads the correct inches and 300 dpi. If text appears blurry after export, make sure you created text at final print size or rasterize and apply a tiny smart sharpen. Alternatively, increase contrast or stroke width. If color shifts occur, convert to sRGB before exporting to avoid unexpected print results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.